So in some of our previous videos, we learned how to work with dictionaries. Now it's time you practice by yourself. So for that, what you can do is you can go to your Google and search for Python dictionaries exercises geeks for geeks, and go to this website. You'll see bunch of basic dictionary programs. You can open them, you can run, you can edit them, and you can copy these codes and get back to your PyCharm, paste them, modify the code, and try yourself. And if you don't want to open PyCharm, what you can do is you can search for a one-line compiler. So online Python compiler, and visit this site and just copy this code and paste here and just run, modify the code and try yourself. Okay, so this site is very helpful. Then if you want to try some question answer session, you can search for Python dictionary exercises and W3 schools. Open this link. As you can see, there are many topics and this contains many question and answer sessions. So you can open one of the topics, complete that, and then open another topic. For example, I'm gonna open this topic. Now here it is asking which is a dictionary. So this is a dictionary, submit answer. Okay, this was a correct answer. Next, questionary items cannot be removed after the dictionary has been created. So the statement is false. Submit answer. Again, it is a correct answer. Next question. Again, it is a true false question. The question is, a dictionary cannot have two keys with the same name. This is true. We can't have two keys with the same name. Submit answer. Correct. The next question. Now to know the length, we can use the len method. So we are trying to know how many key value pairs are there in a dictionary. So if I submit the answer, that was correct as well. So this topic is finished, this topic, and now you can open this next topic and try to answer them. So if you follow Geeks for Geeks, these programs, try to modify them and play with them and participate in these question answers, it will help you to become a better programmer. So I'll suggest you to try them more and more. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.